Well, here's a 2003 Chevrolet Corvette 1SB convertible, just 38,000 miles, one owner, clean Carfax. This is a beautiful car, and it is priced right. Check out the pricing and other detailed photos right below this video. There's a link for that. Take you to all that information. Beautiful torch red on the exterior, light oak on the interior, and it has a beautiful black convertible top. Under the hood, 350 horsepower LS1 engine with 6-speed, yes, manual transmission. This is going to be fun, and it is going to turn heads. Factory features include the $1,200 1SB Preferred Equipment Group. This includes heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, auto-dimming rearview mirror, auto headlights. The car also has the F55 magnetic selective ride control, some beautiful polished wheels, Bose CD stereo, dual power sports seats, dual-zone electronic climate control, fog lamps, power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, power mirrors, cruise control, ABS traction control, and active handling. As we said, it comes with a clean one-owner Carfax, and it's loaded with options. This 2003 Corvette convertible features the desirable 6-speed manual transmission, and it's in overall very nice condition. As we said, it shows just 38,590 miles. The car's paint is in good condition, has that beautiful shine, and the convertible top is in very good to excellent condition, and those factory polished wheels are in place and look great. Now the interior of this Corvette convertible shows very good to excellent factory leather seats and center console, excellent door panels and steering wheel. This vehicle features a corrosion-free subframe and is completely factory stock. Give us a call here today at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Remember, we ship cars all over the nation every week, and we are an online dealer. Now, what does that mean? It means that you can shop online. You can call our representatives, you can talk to them, they can send you additional pictures, videos, or information, and most importantly, with buyavette.net, because this is our business and we sell online, you can buy online with confidence. So give us a call. As we said, this vehicle is ready to go. It is a nice car. It is priced to sell. Check out that information right down below this video. Click the link there. It'll take you to all of that. Remember, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. See you real soon.